barbecuing, or barbie as it's commonly called. This involves grilling meat and fish over an open flame, often with friends and family gathered around. Like many Pacific Island cuisines, Nauruan cuisine is relatively low in fat and relies heavily on fresh fruits and vegetables. This makes it a healthy and nutritious cuisine option. Traditional Nauruan cuisine features a lot of seafood, which is abundant in the surrounding waters. In addition to coconut crab and fish, other popular seafood dishes include sea cucumber, octopus, and clams. Because Nauru is a small island with limited space for farming, the island relies heavily on imported fruits and vegetables. However, there are a few local crops that are grown on the island, including pandanus, papaya, and taro. In addition to coconut milk pudding, another popular Nauruan dessert is banana fritters. These are made by dipping sliced bananas in a batter made from flour, sugar, and milk, and then frying them until golden brown. Nauruan cuisine also features a variety of soups and stews, which are often made with coconut milk and a mix of vegetables and meat or fish. One popular soup is coconut milk soup, which is made with coconut milk, taro, and fish or chicken. Finally, it's worth noting that Nauruan cuisine is heavily influenced by the island's colonial history. The island was colonized by Germany in the late 19th century, and then occupied by Australia and New Zealand in the 20th century. As a result, Nauruan cuisine features a mix of Pacific Island, European, and Asian flavors and ingredients. One popular snack in Nauru is called papanese, which is similar to a donut or fried dumpling. Papanese are made by mixing flour, sugar, and milk into a dough, and then frying it until golden brown. They are often served with a sweet syrup made from fruit or sugar. In addition to coconut milk and cream, another common ingredient in Nauruan cuisine is pandanus leaves. These leaves are used to add flavor and fragrance to a variety of dishes, and are often wrapped around meat or fish before cooking. Like many Pacific Island cultures, Nauru has a strong tradition of communal eating. Meals are often shared with friends and family, and large feasts are a common way of celebrating special occasions. Because Nauru is such a small country, there are few restaurants or dining options available. Instead, many locals rely on home-cooked meals or street food vendors for their daily meals. The cuisine of Nauru is unique and diverse, with a mix of Pacific Island, European, and Asian influences. However, the highlight of Nauruan cuisine is undoubtedly its seafood. With the surrounding waters teeming with fish, crab, and other seafood, it's no surprise that seafood is a staple of the Nauruan diet. One of the most popular seafood dishes in Nauru is coconut crab, a local delicacy that is highly prized for its sweet, succulent meat. Coconut crabs are found throughout the Pacific Islands, but they are particularly abundant in Nauru. The crabs are cooked in a variety of ways, including grilling, boiling, and steaming. Another popular seafood dish is fish, which is prepared in a variety of ways, from grilling to frying to making soup.